So hello guys, this is Mehul back here again with another new video. So as a front-end developer, how many times it happened with you guys? We whenever we are searching for some certain CSS property, like not just property, certain CSS generators for like CSS gradients or box shadows, or even we are in search of some inspiration for color palette or gradients. So it happened with you guys a lot, I think, that we have to go through Google again and again whenever we are searching in search of some of the generators, like I have told you earlier, some it's text generators or some kind of box shadow generator or image shadow generator. So this can be a quite hectic job if we have to search it again and again. So some may bookmark all of the tools in one place, but today I'm gonna be showcasing our website that has all of the tools built into it under one website. Like you don't have to go into to another pages or go back and forth into another websites. How cool is that, right? So let me directly show you the show you the website today. So here is a website that is called CSS Generators, and it have all of the generators, obviously, like text shadow generator, gradient generator, box border generator, box shadow generator, and blah blah blah. Okay, and here in the navbar put they have actually put all of their websites and linked all of them back and forth. So if you click on CSS gradients, you will get some inspirational gradients here, and same goes for color palettes. Here are some of the color palettes, obviously some of the great color palettes. And they have provided another great thing also, that is front end cheat sheet. So you can get a lot of cheat sheets here, like cheat sheet for HTML, cheat sheet for CSS, JavaScript, Chrome, VS Code, blah blah blah, and a lot of things. So please do visit those sites. I will give the links of those sites in the description below, no problem. And if you like my content, please do consider subscribing. And if you can find some cool sites like this, please let me know in the comment so I can make video about them too. So bye for now.